Hey, this is Jason, the sales manager with Country Home Elevator, checking out one of our cool elevator installs happening here in Clayton, and wanted to show you some behind the scenes action going on now. If we walk into the elevator, we notice the most important thing, one of the most important things is the flush frames aspect of it. So this complies with the 3/4 by 4 rule, which talks about the amount of space from when this door is closed and the gate of the elevator is closed. So no child or anybody can hide in there while it's in operation from it. You see how these flush frames are put. So you've got a couple components of a flush frame. You've got this jam stock here, this flat piece. You've got a 2x2 post here. This is where your interlock sits. So the interlock then controls for secured access into the hoistway, which is the space that your elevator travels into. So if the elevator is on a certain floor, nobody can open up this elevator landing door without the elevator being present. So this interlock connects to this Z-bracket post. There's a little bar here that flips right into this mechanical lock. So that way it protects it. If we look inside the elevator shaft here, our technician's got the top of the elevator cab that he's programming. So you can kind of, it's really cool. You get to see the inner workings of an SSD gate, which is a 3-panel metal gate from Fawe Symmetry. It's really neat to see the mechanisms from it. You get to see some of the car top wiring that happens. Everybody goes, what's the top of an elevator look like? Well, you're really getting to see the insides of it. You get to see inside the elevator. So this is an inline gear drive unit, which means it's a machine roomless. It doesn't have a hydraulic drive with a cylinder that pushes up the elevator, or it doesn't have a winding drum type application that works off of cables and sheaves and those kind of things from it. It operates off of 2 number 60 roller chains, then connected to counterweight systems that are then then mounted and operated by this 2 horsepower motor that sits at the top of the hoistway. Really cool parts that you always have to have on the building aspect of it are 2 eyelet bolts. This is for the elevators, the lifting of the equipment and hoisting rails, and also for a lifeline for the technician. So all of our builds, all of our builders have to have those 2 components in there. All elevator shafts have to have an outlet and a light fixture for future service for the technician from it as well. You see the travel cable that travels with the elevator for its communications. It's nicely tucked right on the side there, but it travels up and down with the elevator too as it goes. And that carries phone wires and all of these things from it. Excited to show you the after effects of this elevator, but wanted to show you some pretty cool behind the scenes action from it. Stay tuned for more.